a full face of makeup using bubble wrap. Let's do it. I'm gonna put this on my hand first. Concealer. I'm gonna try and get, oh, okay, under the eye. Same on the other side. Let's get the nose. And a liquid blush right here. Okay, let's try that again. Let's get some contour. So right here. I'm kind of scared. Ooh, not bad. Foundation. Look here. Now let's blend this all out. We're gonna do the concealer first. This might take a while. Kind of feels nice and relaxing though. Not bad. Now let's do the contour. Oh, I hope it's not dried down too much. Switch this round to do the foundation. Sounds like I'm being so aggressive with the blending. Let's do that forehead. I can't tell if it's blending it out or wiping it off. My hand's getting a bit sweaty under here. Okay, now let's do the nose. Let's add some lipstick. I'm gonna keep it simple and go with this pink shade. Okay. I'm gonna put the rest of that lipstick on my eyes just to give it a bit of a tint. Here's the end result. It's not the smoothest blend, but it actually turned out pretty good. But honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Would you try it?